Hi guys, Dave Johnson here. If you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a comment. Before we go any further, anything on this video will be offered to you free. No card, no PayPal, no transactions required. So everything's free and there's going to be a mega bonus at the end. So without further ado, the Twitter Traffic Secrets is a brand new six-part video series worth over $197. You'll discover how to turn your Twitter account into a lead generating machine. Now, this is a fact. Twitter is one of the fastest growing social media platforms that's online at the moment, and it enables you to generate a following of targeted prospects that can easily result in leads, which is what we all want. Most people don't use Twitter correctly. In these video series, there are going to be 6 videos, an introduction, what not to do and what to do, how to do your research, content, because that's key, and how to do the giveaways, and in your 6th video there's an authority giveaway boost. So we'll cover all those in the 6-part video series. And with that said, you'll be able to build your list even bigger with Twitter. Like I said, this is valued at $197 and I'm giving it to you today free. And then we can go on to your bonus now. So if you sign up for this Twitter Traffic Secrets video course, I will also give you this massive traffic package. This includes 50,000 visitors to a website of your choice, absolutely free. And there's also some free credits that you can use on some safe lists and some other goodies as well. So if you want the Twitter Traffic Secrets and this massive traffic package that I'm offering, you need to be clicking on the link below. Okay, and you'll get instant access to the page, which is self-explanatory, and you'll be able to download your course and also claim your 50,000 visitors to any site free of charge. So if you want both these packages, click the link below, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel so that you can sign up to any other bonuses that I can offer in the future. For now, take care and stay safe.